A big hand for these very committed ladies, committed to the cause of Khadi, committed to celebrating Khadi, and committed to making Khadi a way of life. Thank you, ladies.
Hi, how are you? I'm good.
In our midst are people very celebrated from the field of architecture, design, fashion design, interior design, music, the arts, dance, and much more. So please await the rest of the evening, which is going to be just about fabulous. I now request Ms. Pinky Reddy, the president of FICCI Flow, to welcome you all, give an inaugural address, after which we will await the rest of the speakers. Pinky.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It is indeed an honor for me to address this gathering today as the president of FICCI Ladies Organization. Father of the nation and father of Khadi, Mahatma Gandhi had rightly said, a country remains poor in wealth, both materially and intellectually, if it does not develop its handicrafts and its industries. The spinning wheel represents to me the hope of the masses. Flow is privileged to be part of this August celebration, Khadi Goes Global, of 150 years of Mahatma Gandhi and 100 years of Charkha. Khadi, the unconventional weapon used by Mahatma Gandhi, is synonymous to the freedom struggle of India. Interwoven with the Charkha, the fabric is the thread of freedom, self-reliance, and evolution of the nation, a fabric that embodies the worldview of the past as well as the future. Khadi is also a symbol of Indian textile heritage. In 2017 and 18, Khadi and products from village industries touched the 50,000 crore mark for the first time in India in the last 65 years. Endorsed by our Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Modi ji, sales of Khadi has rocketed by 34% in the last 3 years, the fastest it has grown since 1947, when Khadi and Village Industries Commission first started selling the Desi Khaddar. Also, it is eco-friendly too. Khadi is a zero carbon footprint fabric, needing no electricity, no machines, or any kind of fuel for its manufacture. With Khadi celebrating 100 years, it is essential to give further impetus to the boost of Khadi, not only to the inculcate of feeling of pride in Khadi, which symbolized national pride during the freedom movement, but also to help this industry reach global markets. We would like to acknowledge the painstaking efforts made by designers, artisans, facilitators, and others in keeping the tradition of Khadi alive. In recognition of their outstanding contribution, we will give away the Flow National Awards to the promoters and producers of Khadi. Heartiest congratulations to each one of the awardees. May you be a huge source of inspiration to many others. We want to promote Khadi as a powerful agent of change by leveraging this India fabric with the intention to create a global brand with a wide market. I am delighted to inform that Khadi Goes Global will make a presence at the United Nations headquarters, New York, and during this March 11th to the 22nd, 2019. I think that is something we should be very proud of. As we seek support and guidance from each one of our Khadi patrons to help us transform Gandhiji's vision into a sustainable economic model with optimum benefit to the weavers, and also keep our planet happy with zero carbon footprint. Thank you so much for being here today. But I must share, Gandhiji was the person who started FICCI. So I think we feel very connected to Gandhiji, and we are very happy that we're able to celebrate together. Thank you so much. And I really apologize for all the delay and the little confusion, but we just had too much happening back to back. Sorry. Thank you so much.
Very well said, Ms. Pinky Reddy. Thank you for putting the program, especially the one in the United Nations, in perspective. Now, for a larger perspective on Khadi, I now request Ms. Asha Chandra, President of All India Women's Education Fund Association, to give her address to the audience. Ms. Asha Chandra.
Thank you, Mrs. Menon. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, this morning we had the pleasure of having the CRPF battalion with us. And in memory of the martyred soldiers at Pulwama, may we please observe a 1-minute silence. May I request everybody to get up. Thank you. The All India Women's Education Fund Association is the founder of the prestigious Lady Irwin College of New Delhi, and IWAFA is celebrating 90 years of its establishment. It was established in 1929. It is completing, like I said, the 90 years in education, in generating new employment opportunities for women, and encouraging a holistic and sustainable development. From grassroots to public policy, from parliamentary standing committees to the United Nations headquarters, IWAFA's work spans the full spectrum in programs for women, youth, and senior citizens. During organizational meetings to determine a program that symbolizes Mahatma Gandhi's 150th birth anniversary, which is intrinsic to Indian ethos and culture, which is linked to livelihoods and empowerment of women, which is central to India's commitment to the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals, is inextricably associated with the IWAFA's 90-year-old history of education and training. It was found that the evolution of the humble fabric, Khadi, satisfies all these conditions. IWAFA's program, Khadi Goes Global, also embodies the priority theme of the United Nations Commission on Status of Women for the March 2019 session, which is social protection systems, public services, and sustainable infrastructure for gender equality. IWAFA has a history of philanthropy, which commenced with the gifting of 16.5 acres of land housing the college to the governing body of the college. High on ideas, high on ideals, although low on funds, IWAFA met Mrs. Pinky Reddy to partner in the national event reinforced with the industry might and strength of FICCI Flow. We are very thankful to the President, Ms. Reddy, and her team for helping us realize this dream and setting up this magnificent show. 3 cheers. IWFA is uniquely positioned to take Khadi Goes Global to the United Nations headquarters in New York, to a gathering of 193 sovereign states to create awareness of Khadi. IWFA is holding events, exhibitions, and discussions on the 11th, 13th, and 15th of March 2019 at the UN headquarters in New York. As Pinky mentioned, we are all going to New York. In fact, we are leading a 10 or 11 member strong team to the UN. The initiative Khadi Goes Global at the United Nations is endorsed and fully supported by the Honorable Minister, Shri Giriraj Singh, and his Ministry of Micro, Small, and Medium Enterprises, MSME, and Shri Vinay Kumar Saxena, Chairman, Khadi Village Industries Commission, and the Permanent Mission of India, New York. Mr. Sunil Sethi, President, Fashion Design Council of India, has extended his counsel and full support. Khadi Goes Global has been conceived with the purpose of helping the most marginalized and poor women to supplement their farm income with decent work, to access an adequate standard of living with improved nutritional status and social protection, achieve recognition of unpaid care work, and enable women's collective power to help India meet its 2030 Agenda for Development and favorably impact its ratings in the Human Development Index. At the United Nations, Khadi Goes Global will promote Khadi purchase as a matter of conscience for the European and American people, since it is not tested on animals and it promotes a culture of beauty without cruelty. Studies have shown that 1 meter of Khadi fabric uses much less water than a meter of mill-made fabric, thus establishing it as a sustainable product. The program seeks to help Khadi take its place amongst the fabrics of the world as a carbon-free, non-petroleum product. Khadi Goes Global echoes Mahatma Gandhi's words. There is no better way of industrializing the villages of India than the spinning wheel. KVIC and the designers, we are very thankful to them, are already connecting with spinners and weavers to ensure quality and produce value-added ensembles. Yet, to upscale and reach world standards, women leaders need to be developed. Women's empowerment programs need to be conducted to help women become responsible citizens, leading to community development. For financial awareness and microfinancing to access loans. For legal awareness and digital literacy. For development of self-help groups. For ensuring of infrastructure support and women's safety and mobility. For improved ambience and better workplaces. For more storing and working space for housing raw materials. For enhancing productivity and improving the efficiency of the spinners by providing electrical connections and lighting. The list is endless. Khadi Goes Global connects you, each one of you, to the women in abject rural areas and to help generate decent livelihoods and improved lives through Khadi spinning and weaving. May I have a brochure, please, of the program? A brochure of the program? Thank you. This brochure is being distributed. It gives you the complete program, whatever has been held here on the 21st of February in the national program, and what will be held at the United Nations on the 11th, 13th, and 15th of March 2019. It also has one page which can be torn out and can have your contribution towards cluster formations in India. Please help us help them and donate generously. Thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Chandra. just a word about very eminent people who have made it possible to come here and be with us. Sukanya Bharatram, who's the great-granddaughter of Gandhiji. She's an extremely eminent person and I welcome her. Rohit Bal, the celebrated designer from Kashmir, but he's married Kashmir with the rest of India and is a firm believer in craft. Sabyasachi Mukherjee, who is an iconic name, couldn't be here today because he's unwell. He is now not only a household but an international name like Rohit. Rajesh Pratap Singh, another international icon. His work with wool, ikat, and the kind of work he has done to promote Khadi is exemplary. I welcome him. He's internalized Khadi in his way of thinking and working. Zafar Chaudhry, very eminent architect, known for sustainable architecture, green architecture, and I think his projects run the length and breadth of the country. Mandeep Nagi, a name very familiar to us because we are all flocking to the shades of India, even when we don't have any money in our cards and wallets. She is the founder, design director, along with her husband, and I welcome her here. Sita Nanda, an eminent fashion designer, who again has been able to use Khadi in her furnishings to the hilt. Sunil Sethi, my very dear friend, who unfortunately is not here today, but who stands for fashion, stands for marrying commerce with fashion, and has made it possible. He's mentored a whole lot of designers, and we see him year after year helping the government, helping the designers, and so on. Padma Shri Geeta Chandran, whose performance we'll see an eminent Bharatanatyam dancer and a Carnatic vocalist, strongly believes in the cause of Khadi, and that's why she's here today. And Sandhya Raman, who has, through her art and craft of textiles from the Northeast and from all parts of the country, been able to produce the most beautiful yardage and is very well known for it. I thank you all for being a part of the Khadi movement and Fiki Flow Iwafa show out here today. Now may I request all of us to stand by for the release of a compendium that brings out real world, real life stories of people working in the villages, working across the length and breadth of India, using Khadi as a medium and making their lives empowered and sustainable. These are the story of many brave young women who have been able to overcome poverty through the Khadi movement. May I request this compendium to be brought to the stage and it to be released? Can we call the designers and our panelists on stage? Sukanya Bharatram, Rohit Bal, Rajesh Pratap Singh, Zafar Chaudhry, Mandeep Nagi, Miss Nanda, Sunil is not here, Geeta Chandran if she is around, and Sandhya, I know she is around. Please come on stage to be a part of this movement which you have so vocally and in kind supported. Thank you. Mandeep, maybe have you? You were here around. Is Ranjita Kant here? Come, Ranjita. Aye, aye, aye. Sandhya is here. Where is Sukanya Balakrishnan? May I call upon Miss Sukanya Balakrishnan to be here? Bharatram? She left, okay. Yes, please do. You know, may I request Mr. Arun Kumar Panda, Secretary to the Government of India, Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises, to be here on stage with us. Welcome, Mr. Panda. You have a whole lot of people. A big hand for Mr. Panda, who is at the helm of the Khadi and village industry movement, amongst other things. May I also remind the audience that the Khadi movement is not all about cloth. It is a meter of cloth which has so much conviction, self-reliance, and empowerment. But it's about a whole movement in the village industry sector, which is making very elementary things, but with women's cooperative and self-help groups. And the village industries sector of the Khadi and Village Industries Commission comprises more than 25% of the sales through the Khadi Village Industry Board. So we have to also recognize the scores of women who are rolling out papad, making mangodis and buddies, doing beekeeping so that we get the honey possible, and all the tea and coffee and all the cosmetics that we love to use because they are fresh and they are organic. Thank you. Before we ask our guests of honor to give their speeches, may I put on the table a little short film on Khadi, which is after the film. I'll get Mr. Panda to give them. After the film. The film. Aye. Sit, come and sit. I'm sorry, it's a very short.